Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in today's video I'll be dropping this quick recipe on how to make a very delicious porridge plantain in a healthy way, guys, in a very demure way. Thank you so much. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. I'll be sharing with you a very quick one at that, a very quick recipe. Let's make this delicious porridge plantain together, guys, in a very simple and demure way, guys. First of all, we're adding in our red oil. We're using red oil for this recipe. Good. So guys, after that we introduce our onion. It's a very simple and quick recipe, a very healthy one. After frying our onions for some minutes, we have to go in with our tomato paste, guys. I'm using only masala curry, guys, a little one. So you have to fry your tomato for some minutes before you proceed to the next step, guys. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell. So guys, you make sure to fry your tomato well so that it will not have that odor. It will not have that sour taste, guys. You have to fry it for some minutes. So guys, after some minutes, we have to check our tomato. You can see that it's well fried, guys. Next step, I'm using grounded pepper for this recipe. Now we go in with our seasoning, guys. And our salt to taste. Then we add in our well sliced and washed plantain, guys. I'm using ripe and unripe one. for this recipe. You have to mix everything together, combine it together, guys. And you go in with a little water. So guys, have to mix everything together. Heavenly Father, you are wonderful. So I'm going to go in with a crayfish. It's a very simple recipe, guys. Combine it together. So you have to cover and allow it to cook for some minutes before we proceed to another step. So guys, it's time to check our food. Let's see what we have here, guys. Our food is ready. We're going in with our vegetable, guys. To mix it together. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for always tuning into my video, guys.